Hey beautiful Tovians, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tovia Ogun back again. I just want to say happy new year to you guys. Thank you for your wonderful support. Thank you for what you've been doing for me. Like, I really appreciate it. So I'm so happy about this new year. And I just want to tell you guys that it's really freezing, just in case you guys are not hearing me properly, because it's so freezing out here in Scotland. I just wanted to update you guys that I'm going to be bringing in new awesome content this year. I'm going to be posting content on how to grow your YouTube channel better, content on how you can actually start your own business, because I'm a business student. And yeah, I'm going to be posting content on that, life updates, and many more content that you guys are going to love. If you want to see content like this, just make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Honestly, I am so grateful to God for this new year, and I'm so happy and I'm so grateful to God. And I just want to say thank you to you guys, and I just want to give you guys some words of encouragement, just to say whatever you plan to start this year or wherever you started, please do your best to complete them, or do your best to accomplish all of your goals this year. Don't give up. The year is gonna be hard, it's not gonna be easy, but we must not give up, guys. We must not give up. We must try all our best to achieve all we've written down, all of our goals for this year. There's no surrender, there's no giving up. We must achieve all of our goals, guys. Also, I want to say something this year, guys. Please learn to mind your business. Learn to mind your business. Don't It's literally freezing over here in Scotland, guys. It's freezing. It's so cold. You can see the ground. Yeah, it's kind of the snow, so that's why it's really cold. As I was saying, guys, please learn to mind your business this year. Don't give up. Whatever you've planned to achieve this year, make sure you achieve it. Don't give up. Just put in your best to achieve what you want to achieve. Happy New Year, guys. And yeah, I'm gonna go home now to eat my fish, because I want to eat fish today. Tilapia, guys. It's such a good one. Mommy has made it. So once we get on, we're gonna go eat something nice, something really good, and then just have some fun, dance, and then enjoy the rest of the day. So guys, this is my tilapia fish that I actually ate for my new year. Now, if you know what this is, it is so good. I mean, good, guys. Anyways, I actually had this with this porridge. It was so delicious. Anyway, let's just dive into this video. So guys, another thing I wanted to tell you guys is, if you've not yet updated your channel banner, your profile picture, just make sure you actually do all of those right now, because it is so important. Being that it is a new year, it is so good that you have a new branding for your YouTube channel, that you have like a perfect branding. If you've already gone through my YouTube channel, I've already changed mine, so you guys, you need to go change yours if you've not yet done that. So once you change your channel banner and your profile picture, and then just put in those things that you'll be dipping on this year, you understand what I mean. With that being said, I'll be making a video tomorrow to show you guys how you can actually create a YouTube banner for your YouTube channel, and how you can actually upload a banner, because you need a beautiful look for your YouTube channel this year, if you know what I mean again. Anyways, guys, I'm just gonna let this video just go and flow away, like just enjoy the view of my vlog on this new year day. So I'm not gonna be speaking anymore, but I'm just gonna put some music, some relaxing good songs, so you guys can just enjoy the video to the end. So enjoy yourself and just, have a good new year and have a good year 2021. I love you all. This is my new girl. and I just want to say thank you all for your beautiful support.
Happy New
Year, guys. It's officially 2021.
We are grateful to
yes,
God.
Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Lord.
So guys, we have officially come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed this video, you know what it is. Subscribe. Once again, Happy New Year, guys, and make sure you all take care of yourself. Make sure you have a lovely New Year. Make sure you have a good time. And yeah, so I will see you guys on another of my video. Bye.